Let me tell you a quick story about my friend, Sarah. Back in 2024, she was a busy student, juggling classes, a part-time job, always feeling a little behind on her finances. She heard people talking about ChatGPT, this new AI thing, but figured it was just for big companies with huge budgets. She thought it was a complicated scheme that required coding skills or a massive following. She ignored it, convinced it wasn't for someone like her. One Saturday, feeling particularly broke, she finally decided to just try it. She had to write a short article for a local newsletter. She felt uninspired, so she asked ChatGPT for ideas. What came back surprised her. Not perfect, but a fantastic outline with fresh angles. So, what is this tool that helped Sarah get started? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Think of ChatGPT as your personal writing assistant. It's an advanced computer program, a form of artificial intelligence. You give it instructions. We call them prompts. It generates human-like text in response. In the world of work, time is money. ChatGPT helps you save a massive amount of time. Tasks that took hours can be drafted in minutes. That speed lets you serve more clients and earn more. It doesn't replace your skills, it amplifies them. It beats the blank page and gives you a strong starting point. Getting started doesn't have to be complicated. First, content creation. Make written content and sell it. Sustainable gardening. Vintage video games. Use ChatGPT for ideas, outlines, and first drafts. Then add your stories. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or a short ebook. Second, freelance writing and copywriting. Offer promotional emails, social posts, and about page refreshes. Learn their voice, use ChatGPT for drafts, revise together. Find clients on freelance sites, local groups, or direct outreach. Third, build and sell AI prompts. Better prompts, better outputs. Create niche packs and sell for a few dollars. Okay, let's turn theory into action. Step 1. Create your free ChatGPT account. It takes less than 2 minutes. Step 2. Pick one money method. Step 3. Create one small thing, your MVP. Step 4. Share it for free and get it seen. Step 5. Ask for feedback. What do you think? Step 6. Repeat and improve. Biggest mistake, copy-pasting raw AI output. Always edit and add your voice. Avoid overpromising. Hype leads to burnout. Month 1. Aim for your first sale, even $10. $50 to $300 in a couple months is a huge win. With consistency, $500 to $2,000 per month in 6 months is attainable. Talk to real people. Let their needs guide you. Be patient. Practice daily. Celebrate small wins. This is easier than you think. Anyone can do this, including you. Take that first small, brave step today.